So now we are going to make another character, one girls. It's also the shape is a circle. Make the circle little stretch this side, little stretch, okay, like this. Almost circle but little stretch this side, okay. Yeah, okay. So make it now. After that, the and here also I create the two character. Okay, the same. Like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So first characters I make it something eyes over here. The always this eyes line, so make it eyes over here. Okay. And this I make some glass, the square glass. Okay, you can also make this chashma, like this square glass. Okay, and here is the eyebrow, like this. Nose and mouth. Okay, let's make this one. आराम से. Hi Hemant. Beta, first make a circle like this. Okay. Hemant, first make a circle like this and draw the straight line, this eyes line and nose line. Okay, first do this, very simple. Always make a straight line. Santushti, understand beta? Can you show your drawing? Previous character, can you show beta? Santushti, you show your character. Okay, show your previous character also. After that you continue drawing. You finish no before. Yeah. Good, very good, very good. Shani done beta. Nice Santushti. Can you show Shani your drawing character? Yeah, awesome. Yeah. Good Shani, very good. Diptoshi, can you show yours?
Yes, sir. Please.
Wow, very good, very good. Nice. Tanisha, Ishan, can you show yours? Ishan, Tanisha. Hemant, done beta? Circle and straight line. Ishan and Tanisha, on your camera.
Sir, what's the next step?
I show. Make here.
Can you wait for just 2 months?
Okay. Hemant, after that you make this is in this line, okay, the two eyes, one, two, this is two eyes, just make it like this, okay.
Sir, like this only, no, sir?
Yeah, yeah, Srijan,
Is it like this?
yes,
Sure, sure, sir.
yes, like this. Srijan, can you show yours, Srijan? Yeah, Keshav, nice. Srijan, show your drawing.
Sir, can I show my drawing?
Please show, Elena.
Look at my drawing.
Wow, that's good, very nice.
Sir, can you see?
Nice, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next step you can make it here ear 1 and 2. Just make the ear like this. Okay. Now I draw here the here. Okay, just like 1. Just here like a 2. This is a hair, okay? Just make hair like this. Just 1. Here is the hair. Here the hair. And here also make the hair. 3. Okay.
Sir, can I show my drawing?
Yes, please. Wow, that's good. This is nice. Yeah. You can join. You can make it something here like this is that the glass is not fall down, so that's why you can use this thing. Okay, आराम से.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Yes, beta. Please,
Sir, creation solution, mine, sir.
please show beta.
Yes, sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir, can you see?
Yeah.
This nice, sir.
Nice. It's nice.
Sir, see my drawing.
Wow, very good.
Sir, after me.
Sijan, show
See my drawing.
show beta. Yeah, shiny. Good. Make it little oval upper part. Okay, like this.
Sir, can I show my drawing?
Please show beta.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tanisha, show your. Very good. Yeah, Elena, very good. Siddhi, very good. Siddhi, very good. Yeah, very good. Prayan, here you make like, suppose this is circle now. Make it one line over here and this and dark it. And for this two side here, just like this one and two. It's so easy. Okay. Now the next steps, this character. So I make the first eyeball, eyes, okay, and sound is going, why going, okay, this is Tanisha, show your work, and Ishan. So here I can draw, this is the girls, so I just make it nose over here, and this is the mouth. Okay, make it first this that much. Okay, here you can create this. Here. So I just, for girls, I just make it here like this. See, 1, 2, 3 like this, and here 1, 2. Okay, and this line I just erase and I make it little like this, more bigger, upper. Okay, like this. And make it the jhuti.
So, what is the second character?
Yeah, I'll show you.
So, this stuff is done.
No,
Invisible. Done from.
done that much.
This is the second character, girl.
Okay. Now, just make it this is like this. 1, two like this, and make it erase this line. Okay, this line erasing. Erase this line and erase this eyes line and nose line also. Erase eyes line and nose line. Okay, just erasing like this. Okay, I can just draw like color like this. just like this. Okay, how to make it?